Hello, Mavericks. So let's go over the warm-up today. Okay. If we look at this, we see that Abigail showed her work, and what she did was she multiplied 5 times 2, and it looks like she got 10, and then what she did was she did 5 times 3, and that's how she got 15. Okay. So then she simplified, which we know that's correct, but her error was that she did not put a 1 as the denominator. And again, we need complete sentences. There we go. Denominator is one of our word bank vocabulary words. Okay, so she didn't put a 1. And what she did was she multiplied, there we go, multiplied by 5 for the numerator and denominator. Okay, and so what she should have done was multiplied 5 times 2 to give her 10, and then 1 times 3 to give her 10 divided by 3. Then her last step would be to try to simplify. But here we see that there is no common factor. So her next step would be to see if there is an equivalent mixed number. And so again, we do cowboy and the horse, right? The cowboy goes inside the house while the horse waits outside, and we see that 3 can go into 10 3 times, can't go into 1, and so we get 9, we subtract it, and we get 1, right? And so we can put our decimal, we can put another 0 and see that'll continue, or we could just say our remainder is 3 1/3, right? Or again, we can continue, and we see that that 3 is continuously repeating, right? So we know 1/3 is equivalent to 3/10 repeating, or we can just leave it as that. Okay, either way works. Again, this will be working it out completely, and this will be a mixed number, which we will be covering and continue to practicing on. So today's assignment is, okay, and again, here we see our agenda. We see that we've done our error analysis, and now we have a paper with multiplying fractions. Okay, and so what we're going to do with multiplying fractions is we're going to multiply straight across, and then lastly we need to simplify. So we're going to start where it says start, right? And we're going to just go straight across the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 1 times 6 is 6, and then 2 times 7 is 14. We know instantly that those are both even, so we're going to take 6 over 14 and simplify them both by 2. And again, please try to show your work, or just tell me what you simplify it somewhere on there so I can see it. And so we say 6 divided by 2 is going to give me 3, and 14 divided by 2 will end up giving me 7. So then I'm going to shade it this way to 3/7, right? And so I'm going to continue, and then the next one we would work would be this one. Okay, again, the goal is to complete it in the correct order. Please use pencils because I do not have extras, and then finish right here at the end. All right, I am on campus. I will be doing walkthroughs today, so please make sure that you are on your best behavior for the substitute. Show Maverick pride in all you do as far as your behavior, your mannerism. Be respectful to one another, including the substitute. I hope everyone has an amazing day. Continue to work hard. And when you are done with this assignment, please make sure that your math minutes are complete with an 80 or better. And then I do want you to go in and practice these multiplying fraction games, okay? For sure do the wheel spin, and then go and do the multiplying fractions. This first one right here on Math iExcel. If you want more of a challenge, then do what we did today, multiplying two fractions, okay? And so the multiplying fractions, this first one right here is multiplying with whole numbers, like we did for the error analysis. You need to put a 1 as the denominator, then multiply straight across. This one is practicing what we're doing here with the maze today, okay? Again, go in and check your emails, check your grades in Hack. Make sure you go to Schoology and you click on grades on the left-hand side and make sure that all your grades are 80 or better, okay? So again, I hope everyone has an amazing day. Keep doing amazing things. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.